Now, let's enjoy a Buddha bowl. In this bowl, you will find complete, healthy, and balanced meal. It consists of an assortment of colorful, fresh, and cooked ingredients. First, cook the black rice. For this, wash it twice to remove impurities. Then add the 2 cups and 1/4 cup of water. Cover it. Cook it over low heat for 35 minutes without stirring. During this time, marinate the chicken. For that, cut 2 chicken breasts into cubes. You can also use chicken thighs. Put them in a mixing bowl. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 teaspoon. Add it to the chicken. Also add half teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Combine. Let it marinate while preparing the other ingredients. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half. Cut the mango into cubes. Peel it. Remove a small piece from one side to have a stable base. Cut larger slices as close as possible to the seed. Cut 1 bell pepper into chunks. Also cut 1 broccoli into chunks. Peel the stem. Then slice it. Open a pomegranate. Take 1/4 of the orange. They add a beautiful ruby color and a touch of acidity. Finely chop the chives. After 35 minutes, the rice has absorbed all the water. Turn off the heat and let rest. Prepare the sauce. In a bowl, put 3 tablespoons of tahini sesame paste, 1 small minced garlic clove, half tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of water, and some ground pepper. Mix until getting a smooth sauce. In a pan over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Start by grilling the pieces of bell pepper. Spread them out. Add a pinch of salt. Let them grill for 2 minutes. Turn them over. Let them grill for another 2 minutes. Set them aside. In the same pan, grill the pieces of chicken. Proceed in the same way. Sear them for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Flip them over. Let them sear for another 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Set them aside. Finally, cook the broccoli with a pinch of salt and 1/2 cup of water. Briefly stir. Cook it 5 minutes with the lid. Occasionally stir. The broccoli will absorb all the juices from the chicken. Set them aside. Everything is ready. Fluff the black rice. It has a delicious hazelnut fragrance. It is a whole grain rice that still has its outer shell. It is rich in antioxidants and provides good quality complex carbohydrates. Now artfully arrange each ingredient, alternating colors: the black rice, the mango, the chicken, the cherry tomatoes, the broccoli, the bell pepper. Sprinkle pomegranate arrows, the chopped chives, and a few basil leaves. Each guest can add the tahini sauce for an appetizing sesame scent. Bon appétit! Thank you, and see you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.